What's up everybody? Welcome to another quick tips with PowerVision and the PowerRay. Today what we're going to talk about is getting the video footage off the 64 gig SD card on here from here onto your computer in just a couple of easy steps. It's very simple, it's very intuitive. We'll walk you through each step. So first what we're going to do is we're going to have to actually plug in the base station here. Then the PowerRay here, a little twist and a turn, and boom, there we go. Get that plugged in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the website. So this is a very important step. What you want to do is you're going to go to the support page here, and that's going to bring up the different products that we have. We're going to go to PowerRay. And then we're going to go straight to downloads. And right here it says PowerView, download PowerRay content to your computer. We're going to click on that. And then what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to scroll to the bottom here and hit the download button, which is going to bring up the PowerRay or PowerView app. Here's the PowerView app. Go ahead and click that. I'm here now. And so the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to take my Wi-Fi and take it off of my internet right now and find the PowerRay station, which is right here. It's going to say PRA in capital letters _ station. So as soon as I click that, it should ask me for a password, which it is. And that password is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Join. And then over here, I'm going to press connect. And it says connect to PowerRay, success. So now what is going to happen is all the video that's stored into this is going to go straight into here. And let's go ahead and click the video button. And now you're going to see 3 folders. So this is 3 different times that I was out with the PowerRay collecting footage. Day 1, day 2, day 3, all in a row. So I can go ahead and click this. And here's all my clips right here. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on or highlight as many clips as you want to pull in at one time. Normally what I like to do is about 3 to 4 clips at a time. You do have the option of a select all, meaning I could highlight all 3 of these and start exporting. I don't recommend that because this is traveling over Wi-Fi and it could take some time. And if you go into the settings of the PowerRay when you're controlling it and taking video footage, you can go into settings and set the time frames in which you can collect this data. So you can make it at 5-minute increments, 10-minute increments, so on and so forth. I usually stay around 5 minutes because that's an easier data collection under that timeline. So basically I could go in and say I'll highlight 3 of them, and then I would hit export, and then it's going to pull up this screen and it's going to tell you I'm going to this video folder. So then I would go ahead and say open, and then this footage is going to download. Some of this footage could take a couple of minutes, some of it can take 20 minutes. It just depends on the file size. That's why I really am talking about limiting the video footage to 5-minute increments. So I'm not going to go ahead and download this because I've already got it on my computer, but you would basically hit the open button and then it's going to show a screen and it's going to show you. So let's see if we can find a photo actually. And let's go back, return, and here, let's see what's on this. Okay, here's some photos. So I'll show you how quickly it is to download a photo. I clicked my photo, I hit export. It's going to go to my pictures folder that I have set up on my computer. I'm going to go ahead and say open. Boom, now my picture's there. I can say, okay, cool, I'm done with that, and I can go into my picture folder on my computer now and look at that video live on my computer. Or video of the footage from the PowerRay will also be there, but I didn't download anything because I already have it. So that is all you have to do. Like I said, a couple tips. Select a few videos at a time, go into the PowerRay settings and set that time frame for 5-minute videos at a time. That will help you immensely, because if you were to go in and record 30 minutes in 4K, that's going to take you some time to download that footage. So try it in 5-minute increments, see how that works for you, and then move on to bigger increments or smaller increments depending on what you want to do. So that is how you do this. This is how you get the footage off. And then the next thing you know, you're sitting here editing all the beautiful underwater footage you just got on the beautiful PowerRay. That's it for this time. That's the last quick tips that we're going to be doing on the PowerRay for now. We will see you next time when some more videos come about. And don't be shocked though. We got a new product coming to you guys really soon called the Power Dolphin. This thing is going to blow minds. It's a $749 price point. It's wireless. There's no tether. You guys are going to absolutely flip your lid when you see this product hit the market. So until next time, we'll see you from PowerVision.